The camera industry just experienced a massive shift, and if you are a professional photographer or a high-end filmmaker, what is about to hit the market will completely change how you shoot. Welcome back to Tap Tech, your ultimate hub for real, uncompromised tech breakdowns. Today, we are cracking open the official 2026 leaks for the highly anticipated Canon EOS R4. This is not just another incremental refresh. This is the high-resolution hybrid beast that the community has been begging for to finally dethrone its heaviest competitors. Historically, the number 4 has been avoided by many manufacturers due to naming conventions, but Canon is using it to bridge the gap between their absolute speed king, the EOS R1, and their workhorse, the EOS R5 series. If you have been on the fence about upgrading your camera body or wondering if you should jump ship to another system, you need to stay tuned until the very last sentence of this video. We are breaking down every authentic, verified leak, from the groundbreaking sensor architecture to the radical cooling designs that change internal recording forever. Let us talk about the absolute core of this machine, which is the rumored 60.3 megapixel stacked BSI CMOS sensor. For years, creators have had to make a painful compromise. If you wanted extreme resolution for commercial work or massive prints, you had to sacrifice readout speed, which meant dealing with horrible rolling shutter lines whenever you panned or tracked fast-moving subjects. Canon is completely eliminating that compromise by utilizing a stacked sensor design similar to what we see in top-tier action cameras. The data readout speeds are fast enough to render rolling shutter practically non-existent. This means you can shoot at full 60 megapixels while tracking high-speed sports, vehicles, or flight paths without a single straight line bending out of shape. The image quality is pushed even further by a specialized high-luminance 9 million dot electronic viewfinder. When you lift this camera to your eye, you are not looking at a pixelated digital screen. You are getting a crystal-clear, lag-free preview that matches real-world motion, allowing for precise framing even in harsh midday sun or pitch-black environments. But 60 megapixels is just the baseline for this camera. Inside the EOS R4, Canon is introducing an advanced in-camera upscaling engine that pushes files up to an astonishing 240 megapixels. Think about what this means for landscape, fashion, and architectural photographers. You can crop into a tiny fraction of your frame and still possess enough clean, sharp resolution to print a massive billboard. It effectively turns a standard full-frame camera into a medium-format competitor without the sluggish performance or the giant form factor. To handle this staggering amount of data, the camera relies on a next-generation dual-processor setup featuring the Digic accelerator alongside the main image engine. This paired system processes millions of pixels per second, ensuring that the camera never stutters, chokes, or locks you out of your controls while clearing the buffer. The performance boost becomes even clearer when you look at the raw speed. The electronic shutter on the EOS R4 is capable of firing off continuous bursts at up to 40 frames per second at full resolution. Combined with an advanced 5-axis in-body image stabilization system that delivers up to 8 stops of coordinated shake reduction when paired with premium RF lenses, you can confidently shoot fast action completely handheld. No tripods, no gimbals, just pure, tack-sharp images captured in fractions of a second. Where the EOS R4 truly separates itself from everything else in 2026 is its autofocus intelligence. Canon has upgraded its tracking system to Eye Control AF 2.0. For those unfamiliar, Eye Control allows the camera to select an autofocus point simply by tracking where your actual physical eye is looking inside the viewfinder. The second-generation version is faster, far more accurate, and works seamlessly even if you wear glasses or contact lenses. Supplementing this is an updated deep learning neural network featuring action priority tracking. The camera does not just recognize human eyes, animals, or vehicles. It actively understands the context of specific sports. For example, if you are shooting soccer or basketball, the AI recognizes the ball, anticipates player movement, and shifts the focus point to the main athlete making the play before the action even unfolds. For the filmmakers and hybrid creators watching, the video specifications on this machine are nothing short of a cinema-grade overhaul. The EOS R4 supports internal 8K 60 frames per second RAW recording. This is uncropped, beautiful full-frame footage that gives you complete color grading flexibility in post-production. If you do not need 8K, the camera utilizes that massive sensor to generate oversampled 4K footage at up to 120 frames per second, giving you pristine ultra-sharp slow motion without any pixel binning or soft details. Now, anyone who remembers the launch of earlier hybrid bodies knows the biggest fear with 8K recording is heat. A camera body processing that much data can easily overheat and shut down right in the middle of a critical shoot. To fix this permanently, Canon has engineered a revolutionary passive thermal management system using graphene cooling. Graphene conducts heat significantly faster than standard copper or aluminum components. By pulling heat away from the sensor and the processors and distributing it evenly across the magnesium alloy chassis, the EOS R4 can record extended 8K and 4K high frame rate sessions without requiring a loud, battery-draining internal fan. Let us talk about build quality and workflow integration. Because a professional tool needs to survive the elements and fit into a fast-paced environment. The body is constructed from a rugged, lightweight magnesium alloy frame designed to take a beating on rugged outdoor assignments. It features dual card slots, prioritizing a high-speed CFX Press Type B slot for those massive 8K raw video bit rates and continuous photo bursts, alongside a standard UHS-2 SD card slot for easy backups or proxy recording. On the data side, the camera is equipped with a full-sized HDMI port, eliminating the fragile micro HDMI connectors that constantly break on set, along with an upgraded USB 3.1 port that supports fast charging and direct tethering workflows. With specs like these, the elephant in the room is easily the price and availability. Targeting premium global markets, the Canon EOS R4 is positioned as an elite hybrid tool. Leaks indicate a launch price pointing right around $4,500 for the body only. While that is a serious investment, it sits comfortably below the flagship pricing of the EOS R1 while offering significantly higher resolution than the R5 Mark II, making it a highly attractive option for working pros who make their living from their imagery. The official global reveal is anticipated for late autumn of 2026, with pre-orders opening immediately after. When you look at the complete package, the Canon EOS R4 is shaping up to be an absolute juggernaut that leaves very little room for criticism. It successfully takes the high-resolution prowess of a studio camera and fuses it with the blistering speed and artificial intelligence of an elite sports housing. If these leaked specifications hold true at launch, Canon is not just keeping pace with the industry. They are drawing a clear line in the sand. Thank you for tuning into this deep dive. If you want to stay ahead of every major hardware leak, technical breakdown, and honest gear analysis without the fluff, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and drop a comment below letting us know if the R4 is going to be your next upgrade. This is Tap Tech, signing off, and we will see you in the very next breakdown.